Hi, this is Chrissy Whistler, and I'm coming to you from Sequoia in Kings Canyon National Park. Actually, I'm technically coming to you from Hume Lake itself, like on the lake kayaking with my kids. And I just wanted to welcome you into this next series of my nature channeling series. This one, as I said, is about Sequoia in Kings Canyon, and we're going to see what comes through as I literally balance. As you can see, as my kayak shifts a little bit. Balance, being an intuitive, being a channel, and also being a parent. And really already what's coming through in this message from the Sequoia tree is about surrendering. It's about letting go, accepting what is, and also holding on to and stepping into like a new power that you have. So thanks so much for tuning in. You're going to be seeing again a series of videos that I'm recording here, and this one is coming to you from on a lake itself. I'm going to go ahead and stop recording and stick my phone into a Ziploc bag, so just in case things get a little wonky here on this lake. But please like and subscribe if you need support with your kids, unique as they may be, or just some guidance on your own journey. Send me a message, check out my website,